Ayo, duckies, Andi Lippy here. You guys know what StreamUP is, right? No? Well, myself and two other incredible content creators founded StreamUP, Silverlink and Waldo and Friends. Now, our most downloaded and hyped product is finally getting its highly anticipated new release, Pokemon and Friends. This is now native to Streamerbot and it has some insane new features, such as being completely cloud-based. I'm excited to do the honors of showing you the beta. Make sure if you love this Pokemon game, then be sure to tippity tap that like button and subscribe so you don't miss anything awesome like this. And so we can share this great game with more people. Oh, did I mention you can get your hands on the beta right now too? Let's get into this bad boy. Put your rocking for the stone. So as I said, this is only for Streamerbot at the moment. I heard if this video gets 1,000 likes, we will be making it available for Sammy. So do your part and slap that thumbs up. Did I mention we have all the generation of Pokemon in this version? Waldo has recreated Pokemon and Friends from the ground up, and I absolutely love it. Just like you would love this video sponsor, Owned.pro. This portion of the video has been sponsored by Own.pro. Own.pro have every single thing that you could possibly need for your streamer in one place. It even goes above and beyond having actually partnered with Epidemic Sound for all your royalty-free music and sounds. You can also get access to over 600 overlays and alert packages. And you know what's even better? You can save yourself an absolute beastly 50% off using offer code Andi50Pro. And all purchases will help the channel out massively. All the links are in the description. Thanks Own.pro for sponsoring this portion of the video. Getting this installed is super easy. If you want this early beta, then you will need to be a patron of StreamUP at patreon.com/StreamUp or a subscriber over at Waldo's Twitch. twitch.tv/Waldo and Friends. Once that's done, go to either the StreamUP or Waldo's Discord. Make sure your Twitch or Patreon account is linked to Discord. You will then be able to download the Pokemon and Friends zip file. Extract this somewhere you'll remember on your PC. Before we install the game into OBS and Streamerbot, we need to get a StreamUP streamer key. Jump to this link here, log in with your Twitch and authorize. You will then be able to reveal your key. Copy this key, but do not share it with anyone at all. This key will be used for any StreamUP products that might come in the future too. This is not to be confused with your Twitch streamer key. It is only for StreamUP products. For the next bit, make sure you have downloaded all the OBS plugins from the StreamUP plug installer. This will make sure you have all the plugins needed to run Pokemon and Friends. I will leave a link up here and in the description below of a tutorial how the plug installer works. With everything downloaded and installed, we can jump into OBS. Go up to Tools, then press StreamUP. Navigate to the files we extracted and open the Pokemon and Friends.streamup file. This will create a new scene called StreamUp Games Pokemon. Open up Streamerbot, then create a new channel point reward by going to Platforms, Twitch, then Channel Point Rewards. Right-click in the center and press Add. Give the channel point a title, output, catch the Pokemon. Give the channel point a cost. Waldo puts his at 151. This is cute. I like it. Write a prompt for what the channel point does, something like catch the Pokemon on screen. The title and prompt don't matter too much in the beta as they are controlled by the game automatically, but this will be configurable when it releases publicly. Then you can configure the rest to your liking. Waldo recommends making sure to put a cap on how many times viewers can use the channel point in a stream so one person doesn't spam. Also, adding a global cooldown can help stop spamming too. Then hit OK. Then press the import button at the top of Streamerbot, click and drag the Pokemon and Friends.streamerbot file into the import string section, make sure it looks something like mine, and then press import. You will then see a new group of actions inside of Streamerbot. Now we can start configuring your settings. Go to the settings action and you will see the top command that says reward get info. Double click this and select the channel point we made earlier and press OK. Double click the next command down and choose the highest Pokemon generation you want people to catch from 1 to 8. Then press OK. There is a folder that we will need to open just underneath, but make sure not to open this on stream. We will be pasting that key we got earlier in this command, then pressing OK again. Then collapse this folder to hide it. Now we can set the timer for how often we want the Pokemon to spawn. Go to settings at the top of Streamerbot, then timed actions. Create a new timed action by right-clicking the open area and pressing add. Give it a name, then select how many seconds the interval should be. You can even choose a random amount too. This can be changed at a later date to suit you too. Then select the box next to action and choose the spawn random Pokemon action, then press OK. The final step is to link our channel point to the correct action. Go back to platforms at the top of Streamerbot, then Twitch, then channel point rewards. Double click the catch the Pokemon channel point. This might have the name of the Pokemon in there. We can now choose action at the bottom and link it to the perform catch action. If you want to test everything is working, you will need to temporarily change the max per user per stream to 0. Otherwise, you need to be live to test. After waiting for the specified time, we will notice a wild Pokemon will appear in OBS. Click your channel points and redeem catch Pokemon. We will see it do an animation, then we can wait to see if we were lucky enough to catch it. I was. Let's try it on this Lapras now too. Nope. Just not good enough. There are a few commands we can do. We need to go to the commands tab in Streamerbot to enable each of them. Once enabled, we can try doing !Pokey reset. This will reset everything if something has gone wrong. We can also manually spawn Pokemon with the !Pokey spawn command. I can do !Pokedex to get a link to the Pokedex and also get info on the Pokemon that's currently on screen. If we click the link in chat, it will take us to the best part, the online Pokedex. So you can see which Pokemon you have caught and who the best Pokemon trainers are. There are even images of the Pokemon showcasing how many you have caught and if any of them were shinies. Not to mention all the nerdy stats too. I know, this is cool, right? We can also do !Pokedex command, but add a number or a Pokemon name next to it to get the info about the Pokemon and link to that website. That's it. You and your viewers are ready to get catching them all. Remember, this will be available to everyone in the next few months, but if you want access to this early beta, then join the StreamUP Patreon or subscribe to Waldo's Twitch channel. All the links are below. Also, if you guys want the Sammy release, then smash that like button and get this video to 1K likes, and we'll do it. A huge thanks to everyone that helps me make this content free for you. You can also join these incredible people by joining either Coffee or Patreon, as it will go a huge way to supporting the channel. A big, huge shout out to Bongo, Fever Team, Marcus Vasquez, and Romulo Souza for being my top supporters. I could not do this without you guys. If you want to see the video I did on StreamUp, then click here. And if you want to see my videos about Streamerbot, click here. See you over there. Put your rock in with a stone.